Hello guys, good morning. Today guys, I received the one unit of the Scania because the gearbox is there is a gearbox malfunction. I checked, but the shifting is not properly shift. So I checked the clutch. I found this clutch is see guys. The finger is see the clutch diaphragm is not same level. See guys, see the one finger is full touching, but this one finger is overlaps. You see guys. I turn guys. See guys, the one see the finger of the diaphragm is going inside now, not same. See guys, because guys, this is this unit is carrying for the trailer. The tank is gas for you know this hospital gas. That is it. The load is gas. So I continue checking guys. Look now guys, see guys, this one guys is good, but this finger, see the finger is going inside guys. See guys, this finger is going inside. So must be pull out this gearbox and then change this clutch cover and mounting kit. Okay guys, it's very hard to find out the problem guys. Bye bye guys, love you, God bless.